Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Ally Bank and how much you can deposit with their checking account. Now, I know you're probably wondering why this is important. Well, let's face it, we all need a checking account to manage our money. And if you're looking for a bank that offers high interest rates and low fees, Ally Bank is a great option. But before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. How much money do you have in your checking account right now? I'm guessing most of you probably don't know the exact amount off the top of your head. But that's okay. The point is that we often don't pay attention to how much money we have in our checking accounts. And that's a problem. Because if you don't know how much money you have, you're more likely to overspend and get into financial trouble. That's why it's important to track your spending and make sure you're not overspending. And one way to do that is to use a bank that offers a high deposit limit. So, how much can you deposit in an Ally Bank checking account? Ally Bank deposit limits. The amount you can deposit in an Ally Bank checking account depends on the type of account you have. There are 3 different types of checking accounts. Interest checking account. Interest plus checking account. High interest checking account. Each account has a different deposit limit. Interest checking account, up to $5,000 per day and $25,000 per month. Interest plus checking account, up to $10,000 per day and $50,000 per month. High interest checking account, up to $25,000 per day and $100,000 per month. So, if you're looking for a checking account with a high deposit limit, the Ally Bank High Interest Checking Account is the best option. How to make a deposit? There are a few different ways to make a deposit to your Ally Bank checking account. Online, you can make a deposit online using your Ally Bank account. Mobile app, you can make a deposit using the Ally Bank mobile app. Mail, you can mail a check to Ally Bank. Ally Bank offers a variety of checking accounts with different deposit limits. If you're looking for a bank with a high deposit limit, the Ally Bank High Interest Checking Account is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.